Um, Lesson 2.4 Continuity Problem number 6. The question being asked is find C such that the function of x equals to x minus 9, where x is less than or equal to c, and then 10x minus 34, where x is greater than c. And we're trying to see if this function is continuous or not, or rather, we want to make it continuous, so we're gonna have to find c somehow. So what we're going to do is we'll set those two up equally. So x squared minus 9 equals 10x minus 34. And the reason why we set this equal is because we have this condition where x, if we look at the x is less than or equal to c, it's basically saying, yeah, x can equal to c. So this is where we are going to start. And so we're going to solve for x here. So will give us x squared minus 10x plus 25 equal to 0. Factor it, x minus 5 squared equals 0, and then x is equal to 5. So when doing this type of problem, there's like 3 rules that makes a function continuous. First is f of c is defined. Second one is limit as x approaches c, f of x exists. And the last one is limit as x approaches c, f of x equals f of c. So the third rule is basically what we did by saying the two equations equal, or rather piecewise functions. So x equals 5, so we could also say that c can only be 5 where the piecewise function is continuous. So that's what we've got. And then we'll graph it to see what it looks like. Right here. Oops. So x squared minus 9 is going to look something like this. And this graph isn't going to be drawn completely to scale. So, and then 10x minus 34 is going to be like this around. So one's just linear and the other one's a parabola. So just putting this out here. So now we know that our C is 5. So here, so this is our conditions. So 5 is going to be, let's say, around here. So if we follow this restriction, our graph is going to be raised. Position, oops. So it'll just look something like this. Then this. So yeah, this is what the graph will look like. So this graph is continuous. F of c is defined. Every x value has a y value. Limit x approaches to c, f of x exists. The limit at 5 approaching from left to right and right to left, we're gonna meet up at the same point where x equals 5. And then the last one, limit x approaches c, f of x equals f of c, is the one we just did. And yeah, that's it.